Global Citizenship Education, or GCED, addresses one of the common global goals clearly indicated in the Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, and the Education 2030 Framework for Action. Consequently, the importance of GCED in achieving the SDGs has been internationally recognized. The Philippines, along with other member states of the United Nations, committed to achieving the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, including the 169 targets by 2030. These SDGs have been underscored in the 2017 to 2022 Philippine National Development Plan and in the country's long-term goals and aspirations stipulated in the Ambisyon Natin 2040. Of the 17 SDGs, Goal 4 addresses quality, inclusive, and equitable education. Specifically, SDG Target 4.7 emphasizes the key role of GCED in promoting sustainable development. The Asia-Pacific Center of Education for International Understanding designates GCED Cooperation Centers in Southeast Asia. In 2022, APCEIU designated the Philippine Normal University a staunch advocate of global citizenship education as the GCED Cooperation Center, or GCC, in the country. The many accomplishments of GCC Philippines include as the Global Citizenship Center in the Philippines, PNU partnered with DepEd in the successful GCED curriculum development and integration. This collaboration and partnership yielded a number of high-impact projects on GCED curriculum development and integration. With these materials, coupled with necessary capacity building for teachers, the integration and implementation of Philippine GCED in the basic education curriculum became successful. With GCED already in place in a basic education curriculum, a challenge remains. Integrating the GCED curriculum in higher education. To address this challenge, PNU proposes a strong partnership with GCED in the pursuit of the ideals of a just, humane, and sustainable society. PNU and GCED, together, can advance the GCED vision in the country with this proposal dubbed as Promoting GCED in Higher Education in the Philippines and Beyond, a Convergence Project. This project is a convergence of GCED initiatives in a country and has 3 components to implement for 2023. The first component is the conduct of the GCC International Research Conference on Global Citizenship Education, which aims to bring together national and international GCED researchers, experts, and advocates in one platform. The second component supports the GCC Regional Network Hubs on their regional GCED initiatives that are contextualized to their needs yet remain relevant to global issues. The project aims to provide financial support and facilitate regional projects towards achieving the SDGs. The third component is the publication of Philippine GCED best practices, which aims to document and showcase the various initiatives of PNU and the regional hubs in citizenship education. All the 3 projects shall aid policy directions for GCED to mainstream GCED in higher education curriculum.
PNU, as the National Center for Teacher Education, commits to continuously enhance the implementation of GCED in the country through regular curriculum enhancements, research and monitoring and evaluation activities, capacity building of school heads and teachers, information and advocacy campaigns, and development of new models to teach and integrate GCED in the formal and non-formal curriculum. Thank you and mabuhay!